Today you're going to do a coin toss simulation using a chip, a counting chip that is red on one side and yellow on the other side. So the first thing I need you to do is to go to the Canvas agenda and open the spreadsheet linked in the agenda and make sure you locate your name. For the substitute, if there is anyone absent today, we're going to delete their entire row. So once you have located your name, then you're going to flip your coin 10 times and record the number of times it lands red side up or yellow side up. So when you add together the number of red and the number of yellow, it should equal 10. Watch as your classmates fill in their data. At the bottom of the class's data, you'll see the number of reds, the total number of yellows, and then what their percentages are. Now, if you look, you see you have two favorable outcomes. You could have a red or a yellow. So there's a 1 in 2 chance that you could get red, a 1 in 2 chance that you could get yellow. So the class data should be pretty close to 50%, 50%. Once you've taken a look at that as an entire class, I want you to go in and erase all your data. And now you're going to do the exact same thing, but you're going to flip your coin, your counter, 20 times. Okay. Then take a look as a class what your entire classroom data looks like. Is it closer to 50-50? Is it further off? Have that discussion. And then you're going to erase your data again, and you're going to flip your coin 30 times. Have your classroom discussion. Then finally, you're going to flip that counter 50 times. Okay, so you're going to want to do this pretty quickly because you don't want to be flipping a coin all day, right? So once you get it flipped 50 times, look at the class data. Did it change at all from when you just flipped it 10 times to flipping it 50 times? What you should see is that the more experiments you perform here, so from 10 times to 20 times to 30 to 50, you should see that experimental probability down there at the bottom getting closer and closer to 50-50. Once you're done with this activity, have the substitute collect the chips from you.